Can you enable Fortnite low graphics mode? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, once you're inside the Fortnite game, you want to tap on your profile at the top right of your screen and you want to tap on settings over here. By doing so, you'd be immediately able to see this video section over here, and you'd be able to see all kinds of display, graphics quality, and advanced graphics option. What you want to basically do is, for the low graphics mode, you want to simply drop your frames over here, tap on confirm, and by doing so you'd be able to manage your frame rates over here, your graphics over here, and you'd be able to apply some and you'd be able to choose your quality presets, 3D resolutions, and so FPS options, allow low power mode. These options over here, you want to simply allow this low power mode option on over here, and by doing so you would have successfully enabled all kinds of settings on low graphics mode. Tap on apply, and by doing so you'd have successfully enabled Fortnite low graphics mode. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.